Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Getting rid of your baggage. The bag lady. In my childhood and teenage years, I would save a lot of my accomplishments. I had a big purple backpack where I would store my important stuff or the items I deemed as important. I had my track ribbons, basketball plaques. I had childhood pictures of my friends and I. Shit, yearbooks, old basketball game tapes I played in. A lot of memorable and accomplished items I deemed important and precious to me. As y'all all know, I was an 80s baby, so we didn't have internet and iPhones. So you couldn't just store your pictures to a cloud or to Facebook. No, we had physical Polaroid pictures. We also didn't have Instagram models, girls showing it all, porn in the palm of your hands. Side note, be careful or let go of that porn if you're constantly watching it. It'll throw off your pineal gland and your intuitive light. Don't think they putting out all this free porn, Instagram models getting paid, and so on and so forth for no reason. It's a tactic to kill your imagination and visualization. But that's a story for another time. Porn on the mind and third eye coming soon. But I had one of those Black Beach Party VHS tapes in my bags. Girls in bikinis. Not even real damn porn, just a Black Beach Party. One damn tape. My Christian mama threw away the whole damn bag. I go off to college my first year and come back. Shit, all of a sudden, my bag is gone. Thrown away. My mama said she seen an inappropriate video in my bag, so she just threw the whole